Hi friends, I'm Shali Maheshwari Gupta, an astronumerologist, and hello to everyone. अब इस वीडियो में मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ जो सीरीज़ एंड इवेंट्स अपकमिंग सीरीज़ एंड इवेंट्स आ रहे हैं, जो प्लानिटरी पोजीशंस का कॉम्बिनेशंस आ रहा है, स्पेशली फ्रॉम November 20 when Jupiter is re-entering Capricorn and till November 2021. जब Jupiter will like leave Saturn in Capricorn and it will enter Aquarius in November 2021. So ये जो particular time period है, इसके effects बहुत है because of all these celestial events of Jupiter re-entering Capricorn, then Jupiter conjuncting with Saturn in Capricorn. So there are so many events which will take place in the universe or the planetary position. Then there is also like 6 celestial planets, entering the same sign Capricorn. So in that case, a lot of effects and a lot of bumpy ride which we are going to have. तो उसके बारे में मैं आपको बताना चाह रही हूँ कि हाँ, हम ये इवेंट्स का क्या हम पे फ़र्क पड़ेगा, क्या इस पूरे वर्ल्ड पे ग्लोबल इम्पैक्ट होगा डेफिनेटली, तो क्या फ़र्क पड़ेगा. तो स्पेशली बिकॉज ये जो मंथ्स आ रहे हैं आगे फ्रॉम November 2020, these are something which is extremely tough months ahead. That's why I called it a bumpy ride, a roller coaster ride, whatever you say. So we have to be better prepared for it, and astrology makes you prepared for it. It's not our work to make you fearful of something, but to be prepared, aware and alert of all the celestial events which are taking place in the universe. और काफ़ी powerful है. These celestial events are very powerful. That's why जो भी चीज़ें आ रही हैं वो extremely tough हैं हमारे लिए. और थोड़ा सा you can say कि they can be, obviously it has started the destruction of economy, then can be new pestilence, warlike situations, or resurgence of virus, or something associated with because according to Brihat Samhita, जब ऐसे celestial events होते हैं, especially when Jupiter after 400 years is conjuncting with the Saturn in the Uttarashada Nakshatra, the 6th degree of Capricorn. So it has come after 400 years. So definitely according to Brihat Samhita, it will cause a lot of troubles to the people, and especially there can be whatever what I've just said, a warlike situation, or maybe a new disease or resurgence of virus, or something which is civil unrest among the people. तो ये इसी सब के बारे में मैं आपको अभी बताने जा रही हूँ पॉइंट बाय पॉइंट कि जब कब जुपिटर री एंटर करेगा, जब कब कंजक्ट करेगा. सो बाय पॉइंट मैं आपको अभी बताती हूँ कि किस तरह से हमें इसका इफेक्ट मिलेगा एंड व्हाट वी शुड बी प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर. एस्ट्रोलॉजी गिव्स यू सजेशन, एडवाइसेस, दैट्स द बेस्ट थिंग, एंड इसके लिए हमें बस प्रिपेयर्ड होना होगा. मैं आपको बताती हूँ कि क्या होने वाला है November 20th को. November 20th जो सीरीज ऑफ इवेंट्स आ रहे हैं, सबसे पहले November 20th को जुपिटर इज री एंटरिंग Capricorn sign, and what will be its effect. This is the new signs of some war like situation, some disease, or some epidemics or pandemics can come. और इसका जो पूरा इफेक्ट है कहाँ पर होगा. So it is something like western or northwest from India. It can be because of the sign of Capricorn. It can be northeast too, and but its impact will be totally global. सबसे ज़्यादा यहाँ पर आएगा western, northwestern from India and all, and northeast. But the total location which is it's showing कि it can have a global impact basically. And the second event which is the series of event, उसके बाद obviously एक eclipse आप देख ही चुके हैं June 21st में, the solar eclipse. Now in December 14, on December 14 basically, there will be a total solar eclipse. So ये पर total solar eclipse इंडिया में नहीं है, so India will not get impacted by it, but it is troubles to Chile, Argentina, like southern South America, and it's not very global in nature, but it is more concentrated to South America, southern South America. And so basically this total solar eclipse is not having that much impact. That's why मैं बहुत डिटेल्स में इसमें नहीं जाऊंगी. जो हमारा सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट इवेंट जो आ रही है, विच इज़ टेकिंग प्लेस, द सेलेस्टियल इवेंट विच इज़ टेकिंग प्लेस इन द यूनिवर्स, दैट इज स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम December 19 to 23. इसमें क्या है? इसमें बेसिकली जो जुपिटर साइन है एंड सैटर्न बोथ आर एंटरिंग Capricorn sign. So Jupiter is getting defeated by Saturn, and this is happening in 400 years, where Jupiter is getting defeated by Saturn. So when I talk about this great conjunction of Jupiter and Saturn in the 6th degree of Capricorn in Uttarashara Nakshatra, which is coming in 400 years, so where Jupiter is getting defeated by Saturn, is losing to Saturn, just whenever, according to Brihat Samhita, when Jupiter and Saturn come together, they are going to have a lot of troubles to the people. And even there can be mass propaganda. Mass propaganda will be very rampant, and people will be more media related, and more whatever the crowd is doing, they will be doing, and they will lose the sense of discrimination between what is right and wrong. And so these are the things which are actually centered around the conjunction in the Uttarashara Nakshatra. And so there we can expect a lot of danger, and the ethical sense of public and government, that will go away. So obviously the power of discrimination will go away, and we will be slowly, that's why, disconnecting with the nature itself. So we will be definitely slowly disconnecting with nature, क्योंकि जब हम इतने मीडिया रिलेटेड हो जाएंगे, इतने क्राउड से एंड मीडिया से रिलेटेड हो जाएंगे, तो we will be more or less influenced by the corporate world. So the corporates will take place rather than the natural world. So धीरे धीरे हमारा डिस्कनेक्शन हो जाएगा नेचर से. And जबकि सबसे important है, you have to be really awake and alert relating to immune system, your immunity. You don't have to be just like vaccine है, like maybe it gives you the immunity for 1 month or 3 months, so you cannot escape diseases. So in that case we have to more rely on our natural immunity. So we have to work for our natural immunity. We have to eat right, we have to be physically fit, and we have to be mentally stress free. So in that case, meditation, yoga, these things will be more helpful than a vaccine. You that in this particular nakshatra, like when Jupiter and Saturn are entering Capricorn sign in Uttarashara Nakshatra, that is in the 6th degree of Capricorn, even like there can be natural calamities, and rivers definitely will get too much affected. The automobile industry, the aviation industry will get a lot affected, and even the items related to women, like the industry which is related to women, it can be jewelry or something, that can also be affected a lot. So that will come down a lot. But gold will be overpriced, because gold will be very scarce, and it happens according to Brihat Samhita, like whenever whenever like Jupiter is there with Saturn, and it clearly indicates when Jupiter is defeated by Saturn, it clearly indicates that gold will be overpriced. More or less the bigger picture is that hunger will be there amongst the people, like there will be scarcity of food, which is a real pathetic condition which the world is going to face. And especially there can be there can be lot of deaths according to Brihat Samhita whenever this conjunction is taking place. And also there can be new diseases, and many more things are going to happen during this conjunction, during this period, and minor to major outbreaks that might affect the world actually. So these are the things which is the conjunction is bringing, so we have to be better prepared for it. In Feb 2021, the major thing which has been seen is like 6 celestial bodies. This is a planet parade, like 6 planets are going to enter Capricorn sign. And whenever, according to Brihad Samhita, it says whenever these celestial bodies come together, the 6 celestial bodies come together, we have a major issue with the governments. So in that case, there can be, like, severe problems related to with the government. And actually in the month of Feb, all the effects which we are going to see is what has happened in 2020. So in that case, whatever is coming, the effects of 2020, what has happened in 2020, we are going to see in Feb. And that's why we have severe danger during this time. So in that case, we have to be pretty careful. And what my suggestion is that, like, today's immunity is tomorrow's survival. So we have to pay more importance to our immunity, as I have told you earlier. And we need to get ready to battle all these worst situations which are going to come according to the planetary combinations. And that's why we actually, the suggestion is, like, we don't need to be scared about it, but we need to be prepared about it. And we need to strengthen our immunization system and understand that no artificial immunization or vaccine can help us during this time. So we have to depend on our natural immunities. And secondly, like, such spectacular formulations end only after April 2021, and the peak is actually Feb 2021. And in November 2021, it is seen that all formations come to an end, and Jupiter is moving away from Saturn and is entering into Aquarius. And this leaves, that's why it is leaving Saturn and we are entering into Aquarius, and which is heralding a new beginning. And because it is an Aquarian age, a new beginning age for the whole world, where we'll be seeing new societal changes, new governments, everything will be very different. It is the new age which we'll be entering, and that will be totally different, which we have not even thought right now.